Welcome to my channel.
Today is 25th of December. Happy birthday Qaid-e-Azam. Who is Qaid-e-Azam? Let's learn. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the founder of our beloved country Pakistan. He is the most outstanding leader of our history. Qaid-e-Azam was born in Karachi on 25th December 1876. Qaid-e-Azam was the lawyer by profession. His father's name was Punja Jinnah. Qaid-e-Azam had 3 sisters. Fatma Jinnah was the younger sister of Qaid-e-Azam. She played a significant role for the independence of Pakistan. Qaid-e-Azam was married to Ratan Bai Jinnah. Later, her name was Maryam Jinnah. Qaid-e-Azam had one daughter named Dina Wadia. Qaid-e-Azam is our national hero. As a result of his continuous struggle, Pakistan was created on 14th August 1947. Qaid-e-Azam was died on 11th September 1948. Dear friends, thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.